Hello everyone, it's Jilly here from funcraftstodoathome.com, following on from my last video in which I gave you a free printable to make these earrings. So many people have downloaded it that I thought I would do another design, but this time instead of making all the strips the same, I decided to do 8 different designs on one sheet so that you can get 8 pairs of earrings from one sheet of A4 paper. So this is the free design that you need to go and download from my website. There will be a link on the end screen of this video. You go over there and download the free printable, and then you cut the strips like this. You need to print it out onto at least 180 GSM photographic paper. I choose to use glossy because then the beads are shiny. And as usual, I colour the edges of all my strips because I don't like to have that white spiral. I also colour the inside so that you don't get this dazzling white centre. And then you just need, as I showed in the other video, you just need to take a glue stick, put some on the end, not the end you're going to roll, and then I use a popsicle stick for this with a pencil grip pushed on just to make it easier to hold, and that's all there is to it. And if you don't get the design quite central, you can just manipulate the bead around so you get the design right on the front. And there you have your pair of earrings, and all that you need to do now is punch holes in them. I use these 1.8mm Euro punch pliers because they punch a really neat tiny hole in the earring. It's just easier that way. You can of course just punch a hole through with something pointed, but I prefer doing it with this tool because the holes are all a uniform size. It just looks better. So obviously this is me punching the sunburst earrings, the design that I gave away last time, which is still available on my website and always will be. And then this is what they look like once you've got your earring findings and wires on. I didn't bother to glaze mine, but if you want to, you could use something like Dimensional Magic to make them splash proof. For more information about the products that I've used in this video, and also to get your free printable, you can get this free printable and you can get the back catalogue of all my free printables. Go over to my website, which is www.funcraftstodoathome.com, and you will find everything you need over there. Also, I want to introduce you to another YouTuber that I have just discovered. I've actually found him really quite uplifting to listen to. So yeah, it is so easy to get dispirited and downhearted in today's climate. It's a real joy when you do find a channel that you actually want to watch and you get very motivated by. So yeah, I will put a link over there to a couple of his videos, and I'll also link them in the description below this video. Well, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and come back again soon. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, take care.